Yes.
All right. So in today's class, we are going to make a story. Okay.
Okay.
How are we going to make a story? Just like in real life, how two person talk with each other. That first of all, just like we can take example of me and you guys. Okay. So what is happening? That first of all, I talk. Okay, and then you all listens. Okay, and then after when I finish talking, and then you both start talking. Okay, हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जब हम लोग रियल लाइफ में कोई दो बंदे आपस में बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो कैसे बात करते हैं कि पहले एक बंदा बोलता है और दूसरा सुनता है, और जब एक बंदे की बात कंप्लीट हो जाती है उसके बाद जाके दूसरा बंदा अपनी बात करना स्टार्ट करता है। ऐसा ही होता है। ऐसा ही होता है। कैन यू बोथ हियर मी?
Yes.
ओके। So first of all, what we have to do that we will delete this sprite, okay, and then we will add two sprites. Okay, we will take Abby. Okay, and then we will take uh okay, and then we will take another sprite and we will choose this every. Okay, then now we will add a backdrop. Okay, we will go on the backdrops and then we will add a backdrop which we like. I think this will be good. Okay, and then now you can see that every is not facing towards Abby. Okay, so if we want every to face towards Abby, what we will do that we will go in the costumes. Okay, we will click on the every and then we will go in its costumes. Okay, and then can you see that there is a button flip horizontal right here? Can you see that button? Scope में?
Yes.
Can you see that there is a button flip horizontal?
Yes.
If we click on this button, what will it do? That it will flip our sprite. Okay. Now
Okay.
both of our sprites are facing each other. Okay. If we want to increase the size of this, we can just increase by size. Okay. All right. Now, if I want that when I click on this green flag, Abby should say hi to Abby. Okay. So what we will do that we will go on the events. Okay. And then we will pick the when green flag click. And then if we want that our sprite should say anything, so we will go in the looks and can you see that there is a block say hello for 2 seconds?
Yes.
We will use this block. Okay, this block is used for saying anything if we want our sprite to say thing. Okay, when green flag clicks, say hello for 2 seconds. This means that when we will click the green flag, FB will say hello, and for how many time it will say hello for 2 seconds. So if I click on the green flag, can you will see that it will say hello for 2 seconds and then the bubble will be gone. Okay. If you want to, if you want that Abby should say hello for more time, if you increase the to 5 seconds, you can see that now it will close after 5 seconds. Okay. Do you both have any confusion till here?
No.
All right. Now, when I am clicking on the green flag, Abby is saying hello. Okay. I want that when Abby says hello, every should also say hello. So we will go on the every. Okay. And then we will use the when green flag click. And then we will use that say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. Now, if I click on the green flag, they both are saying hello at the same time, which is not good. Okay. Because when two persons are talking with each other, the first one says and the other one listens, and after the first one is finished talking, and after that the other one starts speaking. Okay. So now here is a problem that when we click on the green flag, both of our sprites are saying hello at the same time. So what we will do that we will use the wait block here. We will go in the controls, and can you see that there is a wait block?
Yes.
We will
Yes,
use
sir.
we will use this block, okay, in every under the when green flag click. Why we are using this block? Because in what we have coded in Abby, that when green flag click, say hello for 2 seconds. This means that when we will click on the green flag, Abby will say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. And now we will come in every. If I want that every should say hello after Abby is finished saying hello. So what we will do that we will look that Abby is saying for 2 seconds. So we will go on the Abby, and then we will change the wait 1 seconds to wait 2 seconds. Okay. Now if I click on the green flag, you can see that first of all Abby is saying hello, and after Abby is finished saying hello, then Abby is saying hello. Okay. Is there any problem or confusion till here? You can ask me.
No.
All right. Now we will go in the Abby. Okay. Now I want that Abby should ask that what's her name. Okay. Abby will say that what is your name? Okay. Now if I click on the green flag, you can see that there is a problem again. Why is a problem? Because after when we click the green flag, Avery will wait for 2 seconds because Abby is saying hello. Okay. And then she will say hello for 2 seconds. So we will go on the Abby, and then we will use the wait block again. Okay. We will put the wait block between them, and we can change its time to 2 seconds. Okay. And when we will click on the green flag, first of all, Abby will say hello, then Avery will say hello. Then Abby will ask, what is your name? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then we will again go on every, and we will use the wait 2 seconds block again. And we will go on the logs, and we will write here that my name is every. Okay. What is your name? Okay, now if I click on the green flag, you can see that first Abby will say hello. Abby will say hello. Abby will ask, what is your name? Abby will say that my name is Avery. What is your name? Okay, and then we will go in the Abby again. We will again go on the control, and we will use the wait block that wait for 2 seconds, and then say my name is Abby. Okay. Now, if we click on the green flag, Okay, is it good now?
Yes.
Do you both have any type of confusion till here?
No.
Spoke me, do you have any confusion?
No.
Spoke me,
Yes.
do you have any type of confusion in it?
No.
All right. Now, what should we more do? What we can do that they both have tell their name. Okay. We can do that, wait for 2 seconds, and then it will ask, it will say that, hi, Abby, it's nice to meet you. Okay, and then we will check that if it is working. And then Abby will wait for 2 seconds. Okay, and Abby will say that it's nice to meet you too. Okay, now we will check that if there is any type of problem here or not. Okay, now what we can ask more? Spoke me, what we can do more in it? Can you tell me?
Uh, where do you come from?
Okay, where do you come from? That's nice. Okay, so what we will do, we'll go in the Abby. Okay, we will use the control that wait for 2 seconds and then say from where did you come from? Okay, okay, from where did you come from? We can use this. Okay, now if we run the code, all right, now we will go in the every. Okay, and then we will use the wait block, but now we will use the wait for how many seconds? 4 seconds. Why we are using wait 4 seconds? Because in Abby is saying two sentences for two seconds. That it's nice to meet you too for 2 seconds. And from where did you come from for 2 seconds? So we will use the wait 4 seconds and then we will put the say log and then we can say what we can say. Spogme, from where did every came from? Spogme,
See,
from where every came from? What should we write here?
New York,
Sorry.
Canada.
Okay. Canada. Okay. We can write that I am from Canada. Okay. I am from Canada. And then we can use again a say block. Where are you from? Okay. And now we will check this if there is any problem or not. Okay. Now we what we can do? We can do in a B that wait for how many seconds?
4.
How many seconds we should wait for?
4.
4. Because in every is also saying two sentences for 2 seconds. We will use the wait 4 seconds and then we can write that I am from New York. Okay, I am from New York. All right. Now we will check that if it is working or not. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Now what we can else do that these both sprites are just standing just like a statue. Okay, if we want that these sprites should look alike, that they both are talking with each other, if we go in the costumes of the Abby, okay, we can see how many its costume that okay. Now what we can do that we can code inside it. Okay, if can you see that in the looks there is a costume that switch costume? Can you see that there is a block switch costume?
Yes.
What does this block do? That this block will change the costume of your sprite. Okay, how many costumes we have in Abby? We have 4 costumes in it. Okay, and right under the switch costume, you can see that there is a next costume block. Okay,
Yes.
what will the next costume block do? That this will change the costume of our sprite to the next costume. Okay,
Okay.
if we want that when we click on the green flag, Abby's costume should change forever. So what we will do that we will go in the control, okay, and then we can use that when green flag click, and we can use the repeat block that when green flag click, repeat 10 times. Okay, what does this repeat block do? That repeat 10. Can you see that there is written 10 inside it?
Yes.
What this block do? That this will repeat the code which is inside this to 10 times. Okay, if we use that uh when green flag click, repeat 10 times next costume, so what will it do? That first of all it will change its costume. Okay, now if you want that when we click on the green flag, it should change its costume. So what we can do is that okay, leave it. What we else we can do that we can change our backdrop. Okay, so now if I want that Abby says, okay, Abby will say, okay, that let's go to the beach. Okay, let's go to the beach. Okay. Now every will wait for 4 seconds, and then it will say sounds like fun. Okay. Now I want that after they both are finished talking, okay, we will first of all we will check this, that if it is having any problem or not. Okay. Now I want that after they both are finished talking, they should go to the beach. Okay. So how we can do that? That we will go in the backdrops. Okay. And then we will add a backdrop of beach. Okay. We we can use this beach block. Okay. The beach Malibu. We will add this. Okay. And now I want that when we click on the green flag, they should start talking. And after they have after Abby says that let's go to the beach, so so the backdrop should change to the beach. So how we can do that? In the looks, can you see that there is a block switch backdrop too? Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, this block is used to switching the backdrop. Okay, I want, first of all, what I want that when I click on the green flag, okay, we can do it here. I want that when we click on the green flag, our backdrops so should be switched to the boardwalk. Okay, so when we click on the green flag, the backdrop will be switched to boardwalk. And after they both are finished talking, okay, then they should go to the beach. So we will again pick the switch backdrop log and we will put it in the end of the code. Okay.
Okay.
And we will, what can you see that there is a small arrow in it?
Yes.
If we click on it, this arrow, you can see the all options of the backdrops you have. Okay. We will choose the beach Malibu here. Okay. And what we can do that we can use the wait block here. Now, when we click on the green flag, our backdrop will be switched to boardwalk. They both will be start talking. Okay. Is it good?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Do you both have any type of question or confusion in it?
No.
Hassan, do you have any question or confusion? Hassan,
Yes, sir.
do you have any question or confusion?
No, sir.
All right. Now what I am doing that I am stop sharing my screen and you both have to do the same work. Okay. Start sharing your screen, both of you, and start doing this work.